Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group, powered by EXP, and today we're at our latest listing in Maricopa, Arizona. Today we're at 22547 North Gibson Drive in Maricopa. Now before heading inside and seeing this beautiful home, let's go check out the community. All right, we are at the pocket park that is less than 10 homes away from the home that we have up for sale. This little pocket park has a picnic table area, as well as a grill, a children's playground, and plenty of open space. But this isn't even the biggest park in the community. Here in a second, I'm going to take you over to the main park. We are at the main park at Cobblestone Farms. I absolutely love this community. It's the only Fulton Homes community down here in Maricopa, and it's also the first community as you enter town, so it has an advantage as far as location if you work back up in, say, Chandler or South Phoenix. Now, before I go into this park, we're gonna have our cameraman put a little drone image in of the park we passed on the way here that has a beautiful pond as well as another children's playground. Now, at the park that we're at right now, this one has the lily pad right behind me. It has a couple basketball courts, children's playground, and the community pool as well. So there's plenty to do down here in Cobblestone Farms. So as you can see, like we learned in Step Brothers, there's plenty of room for activities down here in Cobblestone Farms. But what about if you want to go grocery shopping or go out to eat? Is there options like that, or do I have to head back up to Chandler or to South Phoenix? Well, rest assured, you do have plenty of options as far as that's concerned. For grocery stores, you do have a Spacious, as well as a Fry's, and there's a Walmart down here as well. You just need some hardware necessities. You have an Ace Hardware. You don't even have to leave the community to get to. For eating, you have pretty much anything you can imagine. You, of course, have your Starbucks. Everybody needs a coffee. You have your McDonald's, you have your Freddy's, and you have your pizza places. So there are plenty of options as far as dining out is concerned. This home is a single-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, with a 3-car garage. It has an open concept with the kitchen overlooking the family room. There's also a separate living room with dining room. The master bedroom has its own ensuite and a walk-in closet. For the outside, we do have the 3-car garage, a extended driveway with an RV gate access on the side. It would be perfect for a boat or a trailer. The backyard is huge, so if you want to keep it with the grass look that they currently have and your puppies, that's great, but you have plenty of room if you would like to add a pool. Now, if you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, I make it super simple for you. You can call me at 602-763-8106 or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, bye.